Hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm hoping that everybody can see me. I am here with a PINCHme unboxing video. I hope you guys can see. I received an exclusive PINCHme box, so I have no idea what the samples or what is in this box at all whatsoever. So I decided that we are going to find out together. So let's get started. And if you are not a member of PINCHme, definitely you want to become one. Hopefully you guys can see the side view there. Definitely go to their website, www.pinchme.com, and just become a member. It is 100% free. And I will show you some of the items that you can receive. Again, this is an exclusive box, so I have no idea what is in here. So, let's get started. Ooh, it's packaged all nice and cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm hoping that you guys can see. But I will take everything out individually. So, I received a Scotch Brite Extreme Scrub Sponge, 4 times scrubbing power. 1 sponge. Awesome. Ooh, my favorite color too, purple. Awesome. Thank you, PINCHme. Ooh, this is nice. Olay Fresh Outlast Cooling White Strawberry and Mint Body Wash. 89 milliliters, so it's 3 fluid ounces that they sent me. Again, 100% free. Thank you, PINCHme. Let's see. Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience. Proteins and lipids for aging and mature skin. There is 0.75 ounces in this. So this is Skin Therapy Cream. Awesome. Can definitely use this for this time of year in the cold weather for sure. Great sample. Also received a sample of Sensodyne toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity protection, deep clean, and this is 0.8 ounce sample. Check that out. Awesome, you guys. See, if you guys are not PINCHme members already, look what you're missing out on. Awesome. Wow, there's quite a bit of stuff in here. This one is Garnier Skin Active New Clearly Brighter Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Brightening and Smoothing Daily Moisture. And this is 1 fluid ounce. So, let's see. Can you see? I hope you guys can see. Alright, we have another sample. Vagisil Daily Intimate Wash, pH Balance, clinically proven to help maintain a healthy pH. And this is, let's see, 1.6 fluid ounces. Pretty good size sample there, you guys. Or girls, ladies, I should say, for this one. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of samples in here, you guys. This is, wow, awesome. Okay, so I get a McCormick Organics Taco Seasoning Mix, and this is 1 ounce. So, yeah, we will definitely be using this on taco nights, Taco Tuesday, yeah. Thank you, PINCHme. Alright, let's see, what is this? Strength.com Natural Vanilla Grass-Fed Whey. Build and maintain lean muscle. Dietary supplement. Net weight 30.6 grams. Hormone-free, no chemicals, 100% all natural. Must be some type of, it says 1 serving. I think it's for like a protein shake or drink. So, vanilla. I like vanilla flavor. It's worth a try. We'll see how it tastes. Okay, and let's see, what is this one? New Carbona Super White with OptiBright technology. 2 free samples inside. Laundry whitening sheets. Well, that's cool. So there's 2 sheets in here, and they're supposed to help whiten your laundry. Awesome. Thank you, PINCHme, again. I'm loving these free samples. And looks like this might be the last sample out of my exclusive PINCHme box. This is from Slim Fast. It is a Slim Fast Bake Shop chocolatey crispy cookie dough, naturally flavored, gluten-free, no artificial colors or flavors, 1.59 ounce sample. That's awesome. And that sounds delicious. Yeah, nobody else will be eating this in the household but me, because it just looks too yummy. Sounds yummy. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. So I got 1 Slim Fast, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 samples in my PINCHme exclusive box. So thank you again to PINCHme. Greatly appreciate it. And definitely will be trying these samples out for sure. And again, if you are not already a PINCHme member, definitely go sign up. As you see, 10 samples, all 100% free. So you have nothing to lose. Try it out. Again, thank you, PINCHme, and go check their site out so that you can sign up for sure. Bye, guys.